Hi, hope everybody's having a good day. I've marinated my chicken today. I'm going to be doing some fried chicken. I'm doing my little happy dance because my chicken crack finally arrived. Hi there, Mr. Chicken Crack. Chicken crack. Chicken crack. Chicken crack. Anyways, I've marinated my chicken today in mustard. I've got my seasonings on it. I've got some garlic, some onion powder, celery seed, healthy heart seasonings, some smoked paprika. Okay, and now I'm ready to bread my chicken, and I have my shelves already sprayed with olive oil. So as soon as I get my chicken breaded and on the shelves, I will be back. Open it and rotate the shelves. Okay, I've rotated the shelves. We've taken all the pieces out and I've turned them over. And I've spritz them with oil on this side. And now I'm going to close them and let them cook. Last 20 minutes. I'll come back and check on them here in a little bit. Okay. This is my fried chicken using my chicken crack. Okay, I will be back. Okay, it's been down to 4 minutes. And I'm going to flip my racks for the last time. And this chicken will be done. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so we're at the end of the time. I think they're done. So I'm just going to open them up. Yeah, those definitely look done. Go ahead and cover that off. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I've got my food plated up. This is fried chicken with chicken crack, original chicken crack flavor. And I've got some rice and some peas. Okay. is good. That is finger looking good. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy my meal. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and brightest blessings.